YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100K. I cannot do it without you guys. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Things are starting to get interesting in the market, as you guys can see Bitcoin doing its thing. But before we talk about it, I got to let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J, and we just talking about some Bitcoin. We just talking about some Toshi Coin. And we're just going to talk a little bit about the market. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, total market cap today coming in at a 2.79 trillion market cap. Fear Greed Index coming in at 29, right? And as you guys could see, we're starting to pick up in volume on both Bitcoin and in our market in general, right? And altcoins too, which is pretty good to see. As you guys can see, Bitcoin again coming in at 86, but people want to know, are we going to see a breakout or are we going to see a breakdown? We did not see a clear confirmation. I told you guys again that we needed to see a breakout to that 89 level, right? 89 is super key. We could still do it, right? I always say real price action happens on a Thursday. Today's only Wednesday. We did retest the 87 level, but we got to get above it, guys. We really got to get above this 88. And the money, in my opinion, a lot of that, a lot of those buy orders are going to start piling in around that 90K level. That's going to be, in my opinion, what's going to be a sign of a breakout, a sign of a possible confirmation of a bottom. Until then, we're still in a downtrend, right? On the 1 year, we're still in a downtrend. We still are creating lower highs. And so I always say, I always believe that in trading, the trend is your friend, and that you shouldn't go against the trend, right? You should be looking for trend reversals and stuff like that. But at the same time, you have to know when things are stacked in your favor and when things are kind of not stacked in your favor. There's a lot going on this Bitcoin chart right now, and so things are really speculative. As you can see, this 1 week chart, it's looking pretty good, right? Sitting off some good support here. It looks like we possibly have a double bottom, but again, we have not yet tested this level here. This is this 88 range, and we're already starting to see a little bit of volatility. Will we retest it tomorrow? Right? Will we retest it? I don't know that we retest this today, to be honest with you. We might already be breaking down off of it, right? This could be another rising wedge forming right here. And again, we just rejected off of this zone right here. We could see some significant sell-off. Now, it's not the first time that we've rejected off this top zone. You can see we've done it here, we've done it here, we've done it here. So again, it's normal that we can do that, but at the same time, we've seen what a wedge can do, right? We create this wedge right here, started breaking down and just having a hard time breaking back up after that. So just again, something to pay attention to. We're not out of the woods on Bitcoin yet, but we could possibly have a double bottom forming here on the 1 week, which could be pretty solid. And so again, that's why I feel like a lot of this hopium is flooding back into the markets. As you guys could see, let's see what people are saying in the comment section, if people are bullish or bearish. Somebody said Trump is going to let the bears free in 1 hour, talking about tariffs, all kinds of stuff. Some people saying Bitcoin is looking excellent. TA has been failing in this current market conditions, but yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so at all, actually. And if you look at the 1 year chart, it kind of tells us that the TA has not been failing. This guy's just not looking macro enough, because as you could see, we've been creating lower highs. So I don't know how the TA would not be good unless you're swing trading. If you're trading into this, yeah, the TA has not been working for you and you've been getting wrecked, because that's what happens in accumulation zones like this. You get wrecked when you're swing trading and leverage trading. So that's probably what that guy's talking about and experiencing when he says that the TA is not playing out. The TA has been playing out, guys. How's this TA not playing out? Even on this 1 month chart, the TAs are playing out, right? We create a rising wedge here. We start breaking down, right? We have a shoulder here. That breaks down, right? We have a bear flag here. That breaks down, right? Everything's kind of moving in accordance to how these patterns generally play out. But yeah, at the same time, we are still just not out of the woods. So I'm paying attention to that. Let's talk about some of these other coins, and then we're going to dive into Toshi. We talk about Ethereum. As you guys can see, Ethereum coming in at 1900 right now and looking pretty volatile itself. Is Ethereum going to be able to break back above that 2000 mark? It's been lacking in volume and showing every sign that it's probably going to be headed down. I was just talking about this in my last video. The fact that Ethereum just looks so bad. This does not look like a coin that is about to pump. It looks like a coin that's about to dump really hard, as a matter of fact, because we got a giant bear flag forming right here. And if we keep consolidating sideways like this, it's just going to be more confirmation of a dump. But at the same time, like, look, we've created something similar right here too, and it was actually a bottom. So maybe we're creating a bottom on Ethereum, or maybe not, maybe dump, right? I don't know. Let's see. Also, Solana also looking the same. The whole market pretty much looking pretty similar. Like, it could really fall off the side of a cliff, and Solana could make a decent comeback. But at this, because again, people are going to want meme coins and stuff like that, I do expect Solana to have a comeback from the bottom. Do I think it's at the bottom? A little speculative, right? We do have some bearish stuff still going on in this. We talked about that bear flag, right? Look at this bear flag that played out right here, right? This flagpole with this flag, it dropped us down. We create another flagpole flag, drop down, right? And now look, we got another flagpole with another flag forming here on the 1 year. These 1 year charts, guys, are showing us that we're not yet got a confirmation of a breakout, and that this is just a lot of euphoria that we're seeing in the market. It's kind of normal though. Again, tomorrow is going to be a more important day than today, I feel like, because I know a lot of people feel like, you know, because we got this news today that it's about the tariffs and stuff like that, that the real market impact is going to come today. But I actually don't think that the real market impact is going to come today. I feel like the real market impact is going to come tomorrow, because people are right now in kind of in speculation mode, and they're going to want to see the sentiment of the market going into tomorrow so that they'll know kind of how they'll feel about the market close on Friday. That's usually what we see. We see real price action happen later in the week, and we see fake outs happen earlier in the week. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you that that's always true. That's just something that I've noticed over trading over like years of doing this. So just something to pay attention to if we do see some real price action tomorrow. Let's talk about Toshi though, because I know y'all love some Toshi, and that's what y'all came for. As you guys could see, Toshi coming in at 118 million market cap at 554,000 holders. And today, maybe the first day that this thing is not trending over here on Dex Tools. This coin has been trending week in and week out. Past 7 days, it is down about 16%. Market being so volatile. We'll see if Toshi's going to pick back up in volume once Bitcoin does decide it wants to rip up. We did talk about the fact the other day that probably a lot of these bigger coins, these blue chip coins, we're probably going to see a run first, and then we're probably going to see a meme cycle come a little bit later on. As you guys could see right here, meme cycle right here is about 15 out of 100 right now. This could change at any moment, as well as the fact that some of these coins may outperform the expectations of kind of what's going on. But right now, again, this is kind of an accumulation time for meme coins. As a matter of fact, again, the price of Bitcoin could get cheaper. We've not had a confirmation that we've broken out yet. So I'm looking for these stuff still at the cheapest prices possible. I'm not getting too euphoric right now. I'm not getting emotional. I'm not getting either way. I don't get emotional. Okay. I just play whatever the trend's kind of telling me, and I don't treat it as an emotional thing. So just like I'm seeing things pumping now, I'm not getting too greedy right now. My plan was always the same, dollar cost average. As I get the money, I'm dollar cost averaging into things. Because again, I don't know if 84K is going to be the bottom, or if we're going to need to see a retest of 68, because I do think that there is still a strong possibility of that until we break up above that 89. And honestly, the fact that we just broke down off this 87, it's concerning to me. As a matter of fact, we really got to hold some uptrend here, or we might start seeing this thing start correcting down pretty soon, as a matter of fact. And if we see some big sell-off today, I would expect to see even bigger sell-off going into tomorrow. That's just kind of what I think. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you guys are not already tapped in to my Patreon, I have a Patreon. I created it for you guys so that you guys can stay informed and up on the news. Make sure you plug into the Patreon. Also have a group on Telegram as well that you can be a part of just by joining the Patreon too. And we talk about important things in there, like airdrops and stuff like that, and just ways that you can make money in cryptocurrency and money that's available to you too. We talk about all that kind of stuff, guys. So again, tap into that resource. It's a great resource, not a place for financial advice, but again, a resource for training, information. And every once in a while I'll hear about an airdrop. I'll let y'all know about it. But let me know what you guys think about Toshi Coin in the comment section. Catch you guys next video. Peace.